Hello, this is Alexander Cross with Law Offices of Cross and Associates. If you would like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who's looking to clean his record of old charges. Let's see here. Criminal attorney, Redwood City. Record expungement, Redwood City. Clean my criminal record, Redwood City. Let's see. During my 45 years, I have 5 crimes, 2 misdemeanors and 3 felonies. The last was in 2010. Now I want to clean my record. How can I do it? Well, I need quite a bit more information because it says right here you got a total of 2 misdemeanors and 2 felonies. I don't know what type of misdemeanors. I don't know what type of felonies. I also need to know, regarding the felonies, did you go to state prison for any of those felonies? The reason is because if you went to state prison for any of those felonies, you would not be able to do record clearances for those cases. Only way to be able to remove those from your record would be by way of a governor's pardon, which is extremely difficult to do. Now, and almost impossible, almost doesn't bear fruit. Now, if you did not go to state prison, if you just received county jail, probation, that sort of thing, well then, yeah, you would be able to do record expungements. However, I also need to know, are any of these sex crimes? Did you have to register as a sex offender for any of these? The reason is because if any of these 3 felonies required sex registration, you also wouldn't be able to expunge that from your record either. Okay, now let's forget about going to prison. Let's forget about sex offense. Let's just talk about 2 misdemeanors and 3 felonies. Now, regarding your last case, which was in 2010, let's say that was your very last case. You didn't go to prison. You didn't have to register as a sex offender. Did you pay all your fines, fees? Did you do absolutely everything you were ordered to do? Because if you paid all your fines, fees, and did absolutely everything you were ordered to do, yeah, you would definitely be able to do expungement for your 2010 case because it's been 10 years since your last offense. However, there's still potential issues with the 4 other cases that you have. Say I need to know how far apart are those other cases. Let me explain why. Generally speaking, in the state of California, depending on the county where this took place, you tend to get a certain probation period when you get convicted of an offense. Sometimes your probation gets denied, but in general, for the vast majority of criminal cases, people get probation, generally speaking, anywhere from 18 months to 5 years, depending on the type of case. Now, let's say you were on probation for a misdemeanor DUI, and you were on probation for 3 years. And then during that 3-year period, you pick up a felony burglary. Well, now you're going to be in violation of that probation if the court finds out about it. Different counties, sometimes they don't find out, but generally speaking, but if it's in the same county, they'll definitely find out about it. Well, then now you violated the terms of your probation for your previous case. And generally speaking, when you have violated the terms of your probation, judges are very, 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 very reluctant to grant record expungements for the case where the probation got violated. Not for the new case, but for the old case. So we really need to know how far apart are these 2 cases. Because this is your last case was in 2010. You've been around, you're 45 years old, but I need to know, did you get one case in 2000, and maybe one in 2005, another one in 2015. I need to know how far apart these cases are. I need to know what probation violations are here. Basically, what it boils down to is I need a lot more information. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates here in the San Francisco Bay Area. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us right now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got a DUI and was in possession of false tags, false registration sticker. Criminal attorney, Redwood City. Record expungement, Redwood City. Clean criminal record, Redwood City.